Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and if you haven't logged in or signed up already, you will be taken into the sign up page. Now you can tap on Continue with Google or the Continue with Facebook if you have created your account using these options. Now if you created your account using your email address, tap on Continue with Email. You will then be asked to enter your email address and your password. So type in the email address that you used while creating your account, and then within the password box, type in your account password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. Finally, after entering both your email address and your password, click on the Continue button, and now you will be logged in to your Nextdoor account right away. And you can immediately start using the application to discover your neighborhood. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.